What's going on, guys? Today's Vocalized Beats here. Today I'm going to show you guys a small magic trick that I learned back in my day. It's like I just learned it a couple weeks ago. So for this trick you're going to need a lighter, some cotton balls, 100% pure cotton balls, that's what you're going to need, and your mouth. So you take a cotton ball, you go ahead, you either break it into two, or you can light it into one. I haven't learned how to break it into two yet. But you can go like this. You take the flame, you light the cotton ball, see how it lights? It tastes nasty, but it's really easy to do. So when you light the cotton ball, you let it sit there for about a minute. You could go here, 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 and put it in. But it's really easy to do. So another thing you can do is put it on top of a card. Watch this. You just put it out like that. So you go like this, throw it up, catch it, and it's out. But don't let it burn for too long. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. It's just a little something I can upload. So here, I'll do this. Enjoy.